Congratulations on purchasing your Drone XC. In this video, we'll be optimizing your settings to get the most out of parking mode. Start by opening the DroneMobile app and navigating to the settings menu. Scroll down and click on Parking Mode. Make sure Parking Mode is enabled. This allows you to record video while your vehicle is parked. Next, select Event and Motion. This setting records a 1-minute video, including footage before and after an event is detected. Event, the default setting, will start recordings after the event is detected. Please note, this option requires more power and can deplete your battery in 1 to 2 days if your vehicle is not driven. We only recommend this option if you drive your vehicle daily. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu and select Storage. Enable the Upload Alarm Events to Cloud feature. This will automatically upload video recordings that were triggered by your alarm. Lastly, ensure your vehicle is armed by the DroneMobile app. Now, you can enjoy full playback of alarm events. To view the recorded alarm event, tap the notification and navigate to the Feed tab. Tap on the clip you wish to view. You can download this clip or delete it if it's a false alarm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more Drone XC content.